Today I'm going to be doing a totally different type of video for you guys that I've never done before. I wish this was an original idea, but I'm sad to say that it's not. I got the inspiration for this video from Shelby Church. She did a video a few months back called What You Can Get in LA for $1,500 a month. So I figured, I live in Miami Beach, I'm a realtor, I know everything about this town. Let me cover that same type of deal so that way you guys can get an idea of how much $1,500 per month will get you in Miami Beach. So this next rental that's right behind me here is located in the Normandy Isle neighborhood, and it actually comes in a little bit below at $1,450 per month. So you're actually saving a little bit of money, but if you want to have parking, it is an extra $75 a month, so it'll put you a little bit over, but it's close enough. So this complex is actually a new rental building that was just built a few years ago. It's like a outdoor-indoor concept. They have an elevator, and there is parking down below, which costs an extra $75 a month. And this is the unit here. So let's go in and take a look. So these units are brand new. You got nice porcelain floors down here. I have to say the living room is a little dark because there's only this one window here and it doesn't face the outside. It faces this courtyard here. So I imagine even when it's the middle of the day, you're not gonna get a lot of natural light in the living room. I would say the best part about this apartment is this kitchen. It's a beautiful kitchen. You got brand new granite countertops, stainless steel appliances. This is actually really nice for a rental of this price. You got central air conditioning. You got one closet right here, which is the AC closet. And then one main bathroom, everything new of course. The bedroom is a little bit on the smaller side, but it's good enough. You could even fit a king-size bed in here. There wouldn't be a lot of space left for anything else. Bedroom has two closets. The balcony is actually off of the bedroom, which is a little bit unusual. You don't usually see this. Usually the balconies are off the living room, but it's a decent sized balcony and it doesn't have much of a view. As you can see, you're facing the main street right here and it is a little bit noisy, but you have this palm tree here and it's always nice to be able to just sit outside a little bit when you want to. There is no laundry inside this apartment, so that is the one downside. You do have a shared laundry room here, one laundry room per floor, which is pretty common here in Miami Beach. Most of the buildings that don't have laundry in the unit have the laundry room per floor. Next up is a beautiful option in North Beach that is literally right across the street from a park and the beach. Now, right when you walk in the front of this building, the first thing you come to see is this beautiful courtyard area, and I have to say they did a really beautiful job with this here. I've seen a lot of these Art Deco renovations in Miami Beach, and this is probably one of the best ones I've ever actually seen. So you guys are in for a treat. Even though this place is actually next to a major road here in Miami Beach, you would never know it walking through this courtyard because it's just so peaceful in here. You really don't hear anything. All I could hear was just the little bit of the breeze and the trees, and well, let's check out the apartment. Now, walking into this unit, I have to say, this is probably my favorite one that I'm shooting for you guys today. Everything is literally brand new, and they did a fabulous job with the renovation. As you can see, we have nice brand new quartz countertops here. There are stainless steel appliances with a real gas stove there. You got a dishwasher, you got a stainless steel fridge, brand new cabinets, brand new floors, brand new everything. And what's nice too is these little Art Deco apartments typically have window units, but here it has central air, so that is also a big plus. Got some nice new light fixtures, plenty of light. You got a window on the kitchen, frosted glass door on the front door, and then also you have a nice big window here in the living room. And then here you have like a little alcove that you could probably use for storage of some kind. Got a linen closet. And the bathroom, of course, is also brand new. You got a normal sized bedroom here. The ceiling fan doubles as the light, and you got one decent sized closet. And this whole apartment is about 650 square feet, which is about average for a 1-bedroom here in Miami Beach. So for this price and to have it all be remodeled like this is actually very beautiful. The only thing this apartment I can tell you is missing is assigned parking and no washer and dryer inside the apartment. Laundry here is just like the last apartment where they actually don't have a washer and dryer in the unit, but there is a laundry room on the premises, so at least you don't have to go to a laundromat. But now, if you guys made it this far, I have a little bonus for you. And that is, I'm gonna show you how you can actually live in Miami Beach for $1,500 a month, but not rent a place, actually own the place. That's right. This place is currently for sale for $195,000 and actually comes with parking, a balcony, and a water view. So I wanted to make sure I include an option for you guys that actually you could purchase if you wanted to for $1,500 a month. At the purchase price of $195,000 with a 10% down payment of $19,500 and about a 4% interest rate, you're looking at a total monthly payment of $1,562. This includes your monthly maintenance fee of $382 a month, your home insurance, your property taxes, and your mortgage insurance. And check this out. You actually have somewhat of a water view. And you got the drawbridge going up right there, right now. Actually, it just went down, but yeah, the view out here is pretty sweet. For $1,500 a month, it's gonna be hard to beat this for the view. And this apartment's very spacious. It is a little over 900 square feet, so it's a very big 1-bedroom. So you got a big open kitchen here. It's a little messy in here, so you're gonna have to forgive that. You got an open kitchen, just some regular appliances, looks like maybe a few years old. Got a big storage closet on the side here. And then to the left, you have a half bathroom for guests. And then here, we got another linen closet. And then you got the large bedroom right here. Actually, a lot of light comes in here, but they have the shades drawn. I didn't want to mess with all their stuff. And then over here's the master bathroom. And there's also a big walk-in closet. And some of these lights aren't working, so that's why it's kind of dark like this. Bathroom could use some updating and renovating, but it's definitely livable like this, no doubt. Now this building is kind of old and the age really shows walking through the hallway here, as you can see like the carpet and the elevators and just things like that that make it look old. It is from 1966, but it has the trash chute on each floor and you have the laundry room on each floor as well, which is convenient considering it's right next to the apartment. So this place has a small decent little gym. You know, nothing fancy, but you got some free weights, punching bag, little weight machine over here, one treadmill, just the basics. The best feature about this place is right out here. You got the pool literally right on the bay. And yes, this is all included in that $1,500 a month. Look at that. Beautiful. You also get one assigned parking space with this unit, which is also a bonus because parking on the street around here can be very difficult. Now I'd like to know in the comment section which place was your favorite and if it actually met your expectations of what you could actually get here in Miami Beach. And I bet you weren't expecting that one where I showed you that you could actually buy something for $1,500 a month. I think that will blow a lot of people's minds because when people think $1,500 a month, they automatically think, well, I have to rent, you know, and I can't really afford to own my own place, and that's just not true. The thing is that a lot of people just aren't educated about how real estate works, and that's a big part of this channel, you know, teaching you guys how to live a much higher quality of life and teaching you a little bit about finances so that way you can have a really good understanding, and when you combine those two together, you really can live an excellent life. Because at the end of the day, you know, living a good life comes down to, you know, how well you can manage your money and how much you can enjoy living where you live and how you live. Now, the whole point of this video was to give you guys a realistic idea of what you can actually get here in Miami Beach for $1,500 a month. These are just a few cherry-picked examples, and there are plenty of other options out there. And as you guys saw, you can even buy your own place here for relatively low money down. And for a nice major city, that's actually pretty affordable. If you ask me, like, you can't do this in LA or New York or some of the other big cities. It's just not possible. And I think that's one of the best qualities that Miami has going for it, is even though it is kind of pricey, it's still relatively affordable compared to other areas in the United States. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you keep on hanging out with me and watch some more of my videos right over here, and I will see you guys over there.